Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a baby registry on Etsy. The first thing you want to do, once on Etsy, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your profile pic. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to see the option Etsy Registry. You're going to tap on that. After tapping on Etsy Registry, all you'll need to do now, right where you see Baby Registry, you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have tapped on Get Started, you can see when are you celebrating. So you can simply type in the date real quick. Let me do that. So let's say September. And then from there, you can select the year. Then you can tap on Next. After you have done that, you can add your name right there. Then you'll tap on Next. Who can view your registry? Anyone can find or view my registry, or you can decide if you would only want someone that you give your registry link to view it, or only you can view it. For this example, I will select only someone I give my registry link to. Then you're going to tap on Next. After you have done that, you can choose the delivery address. So you're going to tap on Add New Address. Then from there, you could add the individual's address that you are creating the baby registry for. Once you are finished, you'll tap on Submit. Let me do that real quick. You'll be redirected to this page, and you can see that my registry has now been created, as you can see here. So to add items to the registry, all you'll need to do, you could simply scroll down and you can see some recommendations right here. So to add an item, all you'll need to do is tap on Add to Registry. So you'll see a small icon and you could tap on it to add it to the registry. Also, if you want to do a general search, so let's say we were to do a general search right here. Now, if you're generally browsing on Etsy to add an item to your registry, all you would need to do is simply tap on the item. Once you have tapped on the item, you'll be led to the item page just like normal. Then from there, you're going to scroll down a bit. And right below Buy It Now, you're going to see the option Add to Registry. And you could simply tap on that. And the item will now be added to your registry. Then you could tap on View Registry. And you can see right here the items that have been added thus far. And you will also be able to view the purchased items, as you can see right here. After you have done this, now to share the link, all you'll need to do is tap on Share right here. And you'll now have copied the link and you will be able to share it on any social media platform. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.